Any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There was
object.
a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears none.
I object. I object.
Objection.
Because
Let's put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Gardiola gave money to
All
leaders of my
those in
district
favor
for
of
Vilma
the
and Lucky.
motion of the
Objection,
Honorable
Mr.
Garin, please say aye.
Politicians in Batangas can testify.
Aye!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried.
Time.
Terry Don of Bicol
Yeah.
Sarok.
Yeah. Mr.
Before
Speaker,
we
point of order. I
finish
believe
this,
I'm still
since the time is
interpolating.
expired, the Honorable Ridon is given a few minutes. Please proceed.
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
I just have a point of order, Mr. Speaker.
What is the point
There
of
were
order?
specific allegations.
Honorable Ridon.
There were specific allegations relating to other regions outside of Calabarzon that are spending so much more during their elections. I think it is not based on truth. It is not based on fact. It should be stricken off the record. I move to strike that particular section out of the record, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I believe I was interpolating and the Honorable J.J. Suarez was allowed to interject. May I proceed with my line of questioning? Lipat lang po ako dun sa...
Mr. Speaker, you have to decide on a point of order. first.
Majority Leader, there was a point of order raised by the Honorable Ridon.
Just for clarification, the point of order is to delete from the records.
Yes, to strike off from the record the allegation that other regions outside of Calabarzon are actually spending more than areas within Calabarzon. I think that is not based on fact. That is not based on truth. It should be stricken out of the record. That is the first point of order,
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker.
Please respond to the point of order.
Move to strike out, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the comments made earlier.
Is there any
by
objection
Honorable
to the
Levisne.
motion? Chair hears none, said motion is carried.
Second point of order, Mr. Speaker. The speech by the good congressman from Batangas doesn't appear to be a speech relating to personal and collective privilege. It has branched out to matters that are outside of it. So I think even this particular speech in its entirety should be stricken off the record, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader, there's another point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the...
Mr. Speaker, I object.
There was a motion, duly objected. Duly objected. We now put the motion into a vote to strike out entirely the privileged speech of the
Personal and collective.
personal and collective privilege of the Honorable Leviste. All those in favor, please say aye. All those against, please say nay.
Nay.
The ayes have it. Said the motion is now approved.
Sorry, I object. I
Mr.
think there were
Speaker.
a lot of nays as well. Can we have a roll call vote?
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session.
Session suspended. Wala, nag-rule na. Nabang ko na eh.
Honorable Terry Ridon.
Mr. Speaker, may I make a manifestation to clarify what I previously said?
Session is resumed. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, may I make a manifestation to clarify what I previously said?
Majority
also
Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I would like to recognize the Honorable Janet Garin from the First District of Iloilo.
The Honorable Deputy Speaker Janet Garin is now recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Kanina po ay narinig natin ang motion ni Honorable Terry Ridon moving that the speech of the Honorable Leviste be stricken out of the records because it's not a matter of personal and collective privilege. May I appeal to the Honorable Terry Ridon that his motion be instead amended to a motion to delete the statements made by the Honorable Leviste attributing to statements not being backed up by evidence. Specifically, the statements alleging that the campaign of Governor Recto
Mr. Speaker.
and other members of
Mr.
the
Speaker.
party were financed by another party list congressman, and all other allegations that cannot be backed up by documents and evidence.
Mr. Speaker.
Any objections?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There was
object.
a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears none.
I object. I object.
Speaker. Objection.
Let's
Because
put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders in
those
my
in
district
favor
for Vilma
of the
and Lucky.
motion of the
Objection,
Honorable
Mr.
Garin, please say aye.
Politicians, Batangas can testify.
Aye!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried. Honorable Majority Leader.
May I proceed with my interpellation, Mr. Speaker?
Objection, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader.
Privilege speech po yan. Bakit kailangan i-attach yung ebidensya agad? Seryoso.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, session suspended.
Session suspended. Session is resumed. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, may I make a manifestation?
Mr. Speaker, would like to recognize Congressman Terry Ridon of
Actually
Bicol
withdraw-
Party List.
The Honorable
A statement
Ridon
I made
is
about
now
regions outside
recognized.
Batangas.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader. The Honorable Ridon is now recognized. Please proceed.
No, we will defer to the next interpellator, Mr. Speaker.
Can you please repeat, sir?
We will defer to Deputy Speaker Garin. for
Okay, the Honorable
interpellation.
Janet Garin will have to continue since she was interrupted during the first sequence of her interpellations. Please proceed, Ma'am D.S. Garin.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Sa atin, of course, kagalang-galang na kulig. Sana hindi mo masamain yung motion. Mr. Speaker, just to clarify, hindi ko po kinukontra. In fact, I'm a very good friend of the Honorable Leviste. But the only reason that I had to amend the motion of the Honorable Ridon is that meron po tayong proseso. And it's for the best interest of the Honorable Leviste to file a case, produce the evidence, rather than taking the rostrum and making allegations that cannot be documented. Pero ibalik po natin, Mr. Speaker, pasensya na po kung Lian, meron po ba kayong away na politika sa Batangas? Or kayo po ay magkakasama?
Actually, ma'am, yung meeting ko with Congressman Garjola and Secretary Recto on April 15 or 16, as per my Facebook post, was for them to ask for my help for the campaign of Vilma and Lucky.
Yeah, I'm
After
sorry,
which,
Mr. Speaker, what year po? April?
2025,
So this was before?
para tulungan ko sila para sa 2025 elections. Dahil ang panalo ni Vilma kay Mike Rivera ay 7+% lamang. At nanalo siya sa aking distrito at natalo pa nga siya sa ibang mga distrito. Kaya pwede kong sabihin, kaya siya nanalo dahil sa panalo niya sa aking distrito. Ako po ay may 75% ng boto, siya ay nakakuha ng 42% ng boto. Pero yung siguro relasyon namin ay naging fractured dahil baka feeling threatened. Siguro, just my speculation, and sorry to delve into speculation, sila pagkatapos ng eleksyon. At ang isang halimbawa nito ay nung April 24, bumisita si Pangulong Marcos para sa bawat barangay makikinabang sa Batangas at may 84 barangays na hindi binigyan ng kanilang 200,000 pesos.
Matanong ko po, Mr. Speaker, 84 lang po ba ang hindi nakatanggap sa Batangas? Kasi dito sa records ko, lumalabas na 95.
Yung sa ibang distrito, hindi ko na po alam. Pero yung 84 na to ay lahat ng barangays sa dalawang bayan na nagsasabi, nag-submit sila, meron din kaming screenshots ng kanilang group chat na in-acknowledge na nag-submit sila, pero gumawa ng bagong group chat ang Liga ng Barangays ng Batangas na hiwalay sa dalawang bayan na to at sinabi daw na para lang sa mga bayan na ito ang bigayan. At sinabi sa kanila na ang Office of the Provincial Governor ay magdedesisyon kailan ibibigay yung 200,000 pesos sa mga barangays na ito.
Yeah. Balikan ko lang po yan, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague. Honorable Lian Leviste, ito bang 200,000 sa bawat barangay? Ang sinasabi mo ba ay merong piling barangay at hindi lahat ang binibigyan?
110% base sa mga inilabas na naming ebidensya at mabuti kung magpatawag ng pagdinig ang Kongreso para hindi lang he said, she said, para magkaalaman na tayo kung anong totoo.
Kasi Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, ako po ay tubong Leyte. At doon nga po sa Tacloban City, merong mga hindi nabigyan, hindi dahil sa politika, no? Kundi dahil hindi sila nakasubmit ng mga dokumento. At totoo po ba, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, na merong ibang mga barangay na walang dalang resibo? Ang tanong ko, Mr. Speaker, kapag walang resibo po ba, pwedeng mabigyan ng ating DILG or DOF or whatever agency is tasked with that?
May I respond, Madam Speaker? Nasa Facebook page ko po yung screenshots ng group chat na nagsasabi na hindi kasali itong dalawang barangays. At sila po ay nag-submit. Meron din naman pong group chat na nagsasabi na nakapag-submit sila. Kaya base po sa matibay na ebidensya at ayon sa kanilang testimonya, sinabi sa kanila ng Office of the Provincial Governor na hindi talaga sila kasama. Kaya para you don't just take it from me, magpatawag na lang ng pagdinig ang Kongreso tungkol sa bagay na ito.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, kanina kasi narinig ko lang yung 6 billion at tila nakakaingit yung foundation ni Congressman Lian. Yung foundation niyo po ay namimigay ng tulong at ang 6 billion ay nanggaling po sa inyo.
Opo, at wala pong contractor na nagbibigay sa akin ng suporta para sa eleksyon.
You
Yun ang
have
punto
1
ko.
minute, honorable members. Please wrap up.
So, Mr. Speaker, may I reiterate, ang 6 billion po ay donasyon nyo.
In cash and shares at hindi ko po natapos pa ang aking bigayan. Tuloy-tuloy ang libreng serbisyo medikal. Nakaraang linggo, nagbigay po tayo ng libreng serbisyong medikal sa medical mission sa aking distrito. Meron din tayong relief goods na inihahanda para sa darating na typhoon season. At kahit walang eleksyon, natutuwa lang ako na mamigay ng pera na alam ko ay galing sa malinis na panggagalingan.
At pag sinabi niyo pong malinis na pinanggagalingan, saan po ito nanggaling, Honorable Lian?
Binenta ko ang shares sa aking kumpanya at ako po ay may business career na nasa public record at
Ano pong kumpanya ito, Mr. Speaker?
yung SP New Energy Corporation na binenta ko sa Meralco na lahat po ay nasa public record.
At dito po
Madam
nanggaling.
Deputy Speaker, I believe we have exhausted too much time in
Yeah.
this topic.
Thank you very much.
Please wrap
Pero
up.
Yes,
nananawagan
last
din ako na
question.
gumawa ng pagdinig
Last
ang Kongreso
question,
tungkol
Mr.
sa tagong
Speaker.
yaman ng ibang mga
Majority
kongresista. Dahil
Yeah.
ako ay hindi
Mr.
nagtatago ng
Speaker,
aking mga ari.
the time
mga
allotted
pag-aari.
for
Pero ang ibang
Representative
kongresista
Elviste
hindi
has
ko alam.
already expired.
Yeah.